All right, so the example, I'm going to write the problems down in a second. The example problems we're going to use are going to be, we're looking at solving the system of equations of y equals negative 4x minus 7 and x plus y equals 2. X plus y equals 2. So the first one, we have a slope of negative 4 and a y-intercept of negative 7. So I know that the first, the y-intercept is 0, negative 7. So I'm just going to draw that right here. Okay, it's a little strange looking. And then the slope is negative 4x, so it's down 4, right 1. So, or I can go up 4, left 1. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1. There's another point. And 1, 2, 3, 4, there's another point. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's another point. So our line here goes, it's not as perfect as it would like to be, but that's okay. Let's look at our other one. And our other problem is x plus y equals 2, so we actually have to solve. So we're going to subtract x from both sides, so we get y equals 2 minus x, but we're going to rewrite that with the x first, so negative x plus 2. So our y-intercept is 2. We have a negative x, so we can go down 1 over 1. So our point's here. Or we can go up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, 1, left 1. And I'm sure, and oops, didn't draw it through my points there, but as you can see here, there is our system of equations solution. So, you have negative 3 is your x, and 5 is your y. So, negative 3, 5. And if you plug that in, if we plug it into the first equation, I'm going to plug them in down over here on the right. We have y equals negative 4x minus 7. I'm going to plug in 5 for y, negative 3 for, let me get a darker color here, negative 3 for x. Negative times a negative is a positive, so we have 5 equals 12 minus 7. 5 equals 5. So that checks out. This other one over here, 5 over here, and this is a negative times a negative 3. So it'll be 5 equals positive 3 plus 2. 5 equals 5. So that's how we would do that system of equations, and I have it check out.